Welcome to Lesson 78, Words with Two Syllables. Here are the state standards for syllables for first graders. And here is today's objective. I can break words into syllables. The materials you will need for today, it says a syllable worksheet. If you just have this video, that will work as well. Let's review our sight words. Say them with me. New, oil, these, was, were. Today's principle. You can hear the syllables in words. You can break a word into syllables to help you read a word. So that's why syllables can be so important. They'll help you with reading. In a previous lesson, we learned that counting the vowel sounds in a word will tell you the number of syllables in a word. So let's take a look at this word here. You remember that AR is a bossy R or an R-controlled vowel. The AR makes the R sound. So let's just read this word to start. Arm. Farm. Yep, farm is right. And it says that farm has one syllable. If we count the number of vowels in farm, we see the A, and that is the one vowel in this word. AR, like we said, work together to make one vowel sound, R, farm. Let's practice with this word. Let's break it into parts. Read it with me in its parts. Ready? Sh, ow, So let's see if we can figure out this word. SH, is that a vowel?
No.
No. OW, do you see a vowel here?
Yes.
Yes, we know that OW can make the ow sound, which is one vowel sound here in green. Shall, and then we know about ER, right? What sound does ER make? So that's a vowel sound. So here we go. Sh, ow, And if we count the number of syllables, here's one vowel sound. Here's two vowel sounds. So let's see if we're right. Yes, two vowel sounds in shower, and it's the word shower. Let's practice with this word. How many vowels do you see?
Two.
Two vowels, O and A. But are O and A working together? Do you think there's two vowel sounds or one vowel sound?
Two.
Let's try that. B-oat. Boat. Do you hear the A?
No.
Just the O. So it's one vowel sound. So one vowel sound means how many syllables?
One.
Let's see if you're right. You are right. Boat has one syllable, and there's a picture of the word boat. Let's keep practicing. Take a look at this word. In the color green and blue, you can see the two vowels. I don't see any vowel digraphs around, do you?
No.
So we have two vowels. How many syllables do you think that means we will have?
Two.
Two. Do you think you can read this word? Let's see. Pick. Nick. You're right. Two syllables, and that is the word picnic. Let's take a look at this word. Do you see any vowels?
Yes.
What are the vowels you see?
I and E.
So if there are two vowel sounds, how many syllables?
Two.
Two. Let's see if we can read this word. Princess. Can you put that together?
Yes.
What's the word?
Princess.
You're right, princess. 2 syllables. Now this is a tricky one. I see 2 vowels, but we know that this is sneaky E, and sneaky E doesn't make a sound. So in this word, there's only 1 vowel sound because sneaky E is quiet. Let's read this word. Cake. Cake. We're right. 1 vowel sound, 1 syllable, because the E is quiet. We just have 1 vowel sound. Cake. You're right. That's the word cake. Let's practice again. How many syllables do you think this word has?
2.
You're right. I see a vowel here in the letter U and a vowel here in the letter I. So if we try to break the word apart around the vowels, what do you see here?
Hump.
And what do you see at the end?
Kin.
And if you put it together,
Pumpkin.
pumpkin. 2 syllables. Pumpkin. Let's practice again. All right, I see 1 vowel here, and then I see a bossy R, or R-controlled vowel, E with the R, the sound. So we have 1 sound here. 1, 2. So how many syllables?
2.
2. And did you read this word? River. What is the word?
River.
River. So when you're reading long words with more than 1 syllable, it helps you to break the word into parts. You can look around the vowel sounds to break up the word. Let's practice. First, we're going to find the vowels. Do you see the vowels?
Yes.
What are the vowels?
I and I.
I and I. Next, I want you to answer this question. How many syllables will this word have?
2.
You're right. Now let's look around the vowels, the I and the I. And the letters around the vowels will go together. So let's try to chunk the word into parts. Can you read the word now?
Yes.
All right, read this first part.
Pick.
Read the second part.
Nick.
Can you put it together?
Picnic.
Good job. So let's do it again. I see the I here and the ER here. So I found the vowels. How many syllables will this word have?
2.
Yes. This word will have 2 syllables. Now let's break it apart. If we put around the vowel, the letters together, what's the first part say?
Sis.
What's the last part say?
Ter.
Put it together.
Sister.
Sister. Good job. Let's do this word. How many syllables?
2.
2 vowels. Let's break it apart. All right, so we have the first part is?
Bass.
The second part is?
Kit.
Bass. Oh, I didn't ask you. What word does it make when you put it together?
Basket.
Good job. So now we've come to the syllable worksheet. What I want you to do is take a look at the words on the screen, and you can pause the video so that you can read all these words out loud. The words have been chunked into their syllables for you. So if you'll read the first part and the second part and then put the word together. So we will practice just for a few together, and then if you'll pause the video, you can read the rest by yourself. So why don't you read this first one? Read it with me. Sister. Now let's put it together. Sister. Let's do this one too. Picnic. And let's put it together. Picnic. Let's read this third one. River. Put it together.
River.
All right, pause the video and read all the words on the screen. What did you learn today?
Vowels can help you divide a word into parts.
Did you learn anything else?
Yes. The numbers of vowel sounds in a word tell you how many syllables it has.
Good job. If you learned something at home, go ahead and say it out loud. Before we wrap up our phonics lesson, let's have our poem for today. Today's poem is called Colors. Red and yellow, pink and green, orange and purple and blue. I can see a rainbow, see a rainbow, see a rainbow too. I think we might have picked this poem for today's lesson because of this word right here. How many syllables do you think are in this word?
2.
You're right. Rainbow. Those are the syllables. AI work together for one sound, one vowel sound. A, rain. And OW work together for one vowel sound. O, rainbow. Thank you for tuning in to today's phonics lesson.